Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare Polyam Pitto or Polyam Pitti. This usually had a side dish along with idli or dosa. It can also be called as idli podi or chamandi podi. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be half to 3/4 cup of whole urad dal, half cup of chana dal, 6 to 7 dried red chili or more as per your preference, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed, half to 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your preference, and finally 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Firstly, to begin with, take a thick bottom kadai, and once it's hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and add the chana dal. Saute this continuously and dry roast in low to medium flame, and after about 5 to 10 minutes add the whole urad dal into it. Dry roast the lentils in low to medium flame until they turn aromatic, and make sure to do this in low to medium flame. Here I'll be adding ingredient by ingredient and dry roasting all the ingredients all at once. If you're not confident or you're a first timer, you can even dry roast all the ingredients separately. After about 10 minutes of dry roasting in low to medium flame, we can see that the lentils have turned into a little darker shade. At this stage, you can add the white sesame seed and the dried red chili and dry roast this as well. You can stop further dry roasting once the ingredients turn aromatic and the dried red chili turns into a little darker shade. The sesame seeds begin to pop. Immediately take a plate and shift all the ingredients into it and allow this to cool down completely in room temperature. Once the ingredients have cooled down completely, take a dry mixer jar and into that transfer the dry roasted ingredients. Now grind this until you get a coarse consistency powder ready. Next, into this add the salt and the asafoetida powder and grind this once again. Now your delicious Polyam Pitto is ready. You can have this immediately, or you can even store this in an airtight container. For longer shelf life, make sure to take a dry container and also use a dry spoon always while using this. This has an amazing shelf life of 6 months to 1 year. You can add coconut oil into this and serve this as a side dish along with idli or even dosa. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.